Oh yeah, no, this place is
Join the flock.
this place is actually awesome. Standing right here is I want to stand right here for no particular reason because I think the items are really cool.
The air vent.
What?
Oh yum. Oh yum yum. They have ice cream at the nut house. Had to go with the pecan log.
And muscadine slushy.
Muscadine
Grapes.
slushy. And he didn't want watermelon. No way. No parking. No parking.
No parking. Hey, now it looks like we filmed 3 parking signs. Okay, we can't describe to you that there were literally like I can't even count. Maybe 50. True. And then all you guys got to do was 3.
Oh my gosh, this guy fell asleep.
Oh, we literally did. Fun filming. Geraldine rum slushy that's non-alcoholic.
There you go. Have a bite.
Ooh, what is inside of it?
Nugget.
Oh, nougat.
Nugget.
Nugget.
Nugget. Nugget. Nugget.
Ignore the stuff in the background.
Oh my gosh. Who lives in there?
Some weirdo, that's for sure.
A nut. That's a nut house.
Yeah. So that's our house. Right.
All right, on the road again.
On the road again.